What's up, YouTube? Back again with another video, and in today's video we're going to be giving another Bitcoin daily analysis. As you can see on the 1 hour chart, Bitcoin is trading in this upward channel like wedge. Bitcoin currently has a price of about 81,074. On the bottom trend line, the bottom yellow trend line, Bitcoin has multiple touch points over the past few days. On the bottom trend line, the first touch point has a price target or a price average of about 73, 74, 75,000. On the second touch point, Bitcoin has a price of about 80,000. As you can see, if you look on top of the top yellow trend line, on the first touch point, Bitcoin had a price of about 78,000, and then the second touch point had a price of about 79,000, and then the third touch point had a price of about 83,000. Now, in my opinion, as you can see drawn within that wedge, I do believe Bitcoin price continues to trade within that wedge for the foreseeable future, the next couple of days. I do believe we bounce right off that second trend line. On the bottom trend line, I do believe we bounce off that second touch point and bounce up to about 85,000 before making our way down. That's just my opinion, not financial advice. There's a lot going on in the macro world, like the Clarity Act, Middle Eastern conflict, inflation. There's a lot of things going on right now in our world of economics that makes Bitcoin's price extremely volatile. Bitcoin is a risky asset, so just always trade and proceed with caution if you're buying any of these assets. But I do want to show you guys the 4 hour chart just to give you guys a more broader perspective on what's happening. As you can see on the 4 hour chart, Bitcoin is trading in this upward channel, sort of similar to the 1 hour chart. On this particular pattern on the 4 hour chart, Bitcoin has about 2 touch points on the bottom yellow trend line. On the first touch point, it has a price of about anywhere between 64 and 66,000, and then on that second touch point, it has a price average of about 73, 74, maybe 75,000. As you can see on the top trend line, yellow trend line, Bitcoin has the first touch point has a price range of about 72,000. The second touch point has a price range of about, I would say, 77,000, and the third touch point has a price range of about 78, 79,000. In my current opinion, I do believe Bitcoin continues to trade in this particular pattern, narrow upward channel pattern for the foreseeable future. I do believe we bounce off the bottom line of trend line around 80,000 and then make our way up to about 84, 85, or even 86,000. But that's just my opinion. It's not financial advice. But let me know you guys' thoughts and opinions on my particular technical analysis and patterns that I've set up. There's a lot going on, like I've stated before, with the Clarity Act, inflation, Middle Eastern conflict. There's just so many things going on that makes Bitcoin's price extremely volatile. So always proceed with caution. It's pretty hard to gauge Bitcoin's price due to the idea that Bitcoin does not have a set in stone price because it's always moving. It's extremely volatile. But let me know you guys' thoughts and opinions on my technical analysis. Am I doing anything right? Would you change it up a bit? Are you seeing other patterns forming on the chart that I'm not seeing? I'm always open to ideas. Just let me know. Please like, share, and subscribe. And you guys have a good rest of your day.